Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, everyone. I'm Sami, and I want to take you through a topic for today. We're going to talk about type of reset. Have been types of resets. I may not type much, but I'm going to explain type of reset. Now, there are three types of resets that you should be aware of, and before you understand the type of reset, you should be able to understand the market maker concept, whereby market move in pushes. For example, let's assume that the market is going down of one push, second push, third push, and then reset. This one is known as a peak high. This one is peak low. Then after that, after this one should be 1, this one is 2, this one is 3, then we have peak low. Within this range here, this is where we always have a reset, and then this is where we expect the reset to happen in these levels. And we can, there are three types of reset that we can be able to identify that can happen within this area. And remember, this type of market maker concept happen in all time frames. You can be able to spot it in all time frames. There is a video that I did. If you haven't seen it about levels, you can scroll up. You are going to see it. I may not repeat that one. This one happened in all time frames. And what I want now to emphasize on is the type of reset and how to know that if the market will continue going down or going up, and how to get the best entry. In this reset now, this area of reset, when we are starting level 2 and when we are starting level 3, this is what we expect. Type 1 is whereby the market will go down and then we read this back either to MA50 or to MA200. But most of the time it will go to MA200 if it is very close to MA50. This MA200, we said when I was teaching about MA200, is known as home. This is the home for market maker. They come to that particular level. And when they are going up, it is not necessary that they move up in 3 levels. This one, they can move in 2 levels until they come to the reset area. Then we have MA50. Most of the time when the market is coming to MA50, we call it straight away trade, but that one I'm not going to talk about it for now. So then we have whereby the market is going up. This is 1. Then we have type 2. This type 2, whereby the market after dropping, it will not go up, but it will start consolidating, going down, like a consolidation forming a channel before then it drop. Then type 3, this one happened today in gold, yesterday and today, is where the market will go down, maybe level 1, and this one most of the time happen when we are going to level 3. In this particular area, you are going to see that now the market will go horizontally. It will go horizontally like this, and then it will, assuming this one is the Asian session here, this particular day, that is our Asian session here, then the market will consolidate within that range, until it gets to the following day Asian session. When this one happen, you need to see that this market will consolidate to where we have MA50. It will consolidate where we have MA50, and within that time, MA200 will just keep coming down, dropping until somewhere here, whereby the market now will go up and then touch MA200 and then bounce. And when the market was coming down, most of the time they will leave an area of reference here, which is an order block. If there's an order block, then the market will come and pass the moving average 200 MA. Moving EMA 200, it will go above EMA 200 and then touch the order block that is here, and then the market will reverse. These are the 3 types of reset. To make this one very easy, let me go back direct to the chart so that you can be able to see what I'm talking about. So that you can see that if you look at this one, I want to insert the period separator so that you can be able to be able to see. Show the period separator. Now this is the period separator, and remember I'm in M15 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart. So if I can go to 1 hour so that you can see this one, this is where we started this level. This was the peak. If I can insert 200, this one can be a bit visible. If I can insert 200, moving average 200, let me insert it. Okay. If I can see 200, you can see here we had a big reset. The market moved one up. Look at the type of reset that happened, the way we have discussed. The market consolidation was going down. This was type 2 reset. Sorry, type 2 reset. This one, the market was going down. And then today, this is why we have the Asian session. In the beginning, we had the Asian session somewhere here yesterday, and today we have the Asian session. If you look at this Asian session, the market is within the same area. The market is within the same area. This Asian session are in the same place. In that case, if you now go to 15 minutes so that you can see it clearly, if you can go to 15 minutes, can you see? This is the Asian session yesterday and today. The market was consolidating. This Asian session and this one are the same. Where the market closed yesterday, or opened yesterday, is where it opened today in that area. And then the market consolidated. And then we had an area of interest. We had this order block. I had already marked it. So the market came to moving average. And because the order block was very close to the moving average, the market tended to go to where we have the moving average. And then before now, it's going down. So I'm expecting this market at least now to go down because the market maker have created a pool of liquidity down here. They need to come down here and take this liquidity as they complete the last level. Thank you very much and have a nice time for the purpose of making this video short.